Good morning guys, welcome back to the video. It is Monday. I am always trying to find new ways to create new content, things you guys haven't seen yet, different things. So I was thinking it would be fun to start vlogging daily. We're gonna try this. I have tried this once before and that time it didn't really work out because I was like really busy with like a lot of things. But now obviously I'm at home and I would love to share my daily routines, my daily life, and also kind of what it looks like, how I work, and also the things we do in our free time, how we stay productive. Usually in the morning we either go for like a little walk. I just have to take the matcha and stuff, and then often I start like working. And today, actually it's Monday, we're doing a live workout with Sammy. Chase and I have been working out like every morning. It's been quite good. Because at the beginning I didn't work at all. I will make another video about this. I just got dressed. This is a fitness short from Lole. And this top is from Outdoor Voices. So it's not an official set, but it just does look very cute. The first thing in my routine, obviously, is we're gonna go downstairs and make a little matcha. It has been his bed now a couple of weeks. So Max shaved his mustache like this around his lip. And now he shaved it. Baby, you look like
Hate your husband?
No, you should take it off. Guys, if there are more than 100 comments that he should take it off.
Yeah, I'll take this off.
Okay, so please help me guys. I am gonna make my matcha. I really feel in the morning like this is kind of my, you know how other people maybe journal in the morning or do like a stretch or yoga or write in their little like notebook or diary. What for me is super like meditating and it brings mindfulness is making a matcha in the morning, and especially with this little whisk. It's just like little, almost like a little tea ceremony. I am always really looking forward and enjoying this little process. So let's make some matcha. And ta-da! My matcha is ready. I'm gonna answer like a couple emails. I'm ready for the day, and this is also why I kind of like wake up really early to have time to have my morning drink, to take it easy before like kind of the whole day is gonna start. We're gonna start the live stream in like 2 hours, so I'm excited. See you guys later. Okay guys, we just finished a 20-minute butt workout and now I'm gonna hop on a live stream with Sammy. Oh, there we go. Hi, it's working! Yay!
Constantly giving yourself to everybody else. You're helping everybody that you know, and then sometimes you don't even realize that you haven't taken care of yourself.
Regarding like living a healthier lifestyle, what we're doing, I think small steps is really the key, and having patience with that and rewarding yourself every time when you make that progress.
And remember to take a nice big breath today and let your body
Let's
know
do it
that
now.
you are safe.
Let's do it
yeah,
now.
Well, yeah, it's a good
3
idea.
big breaths. That felt
It feels good.
good. So guys, ooh, my hair is so dirty and I'm so sweaty. We just finished here our live stream with Jason, which was really, really nice. We have to hop on a call now with Harper's Bazaar because I might do a video with them. It's so crazy. We're gonna like, it's going from workouts to live streams to Zoom meetings. This is a day in my life.
So here, hello.
Hi.
Hey.
Perfect.
Amazing.
All right, thank you so much.
Perfect.
Good.
Take care.
Okay, bye-bye. Oh my god, guys, I couldn't stop laughing in this meeting because when I look at the screen, I was like, oh my god, Max, you look ridiculous with that mustache on. There we go. Oh my god, babe. Can you see?
Yeah.
Banana!
Hey, cutie. How does that air go in there? There's a little fan in there. We got a vegan. Now he doesn't get out. No, we're not helping you. I have some breakfast here. I have egg, avocado, rice cracker. And I mean, it's late already. It's like 12. So I think I will have lunch in like 2 hours or something. Actually, I saw the Sakara box came in. Yay! I have always wanted to try this. This is like one of the only health food delivery service with all like organic food. So I'm so excited to open up this. Probiotic snack, energy bar. This is fantastic. Thank you, Sakara Life. Look at this, they have like a protein, smoothies, salads. This is like a breakfast with granola, that's amazing. Here we got all the meals which I'm going to add into the fridge. So this is day 1, day 2 and day 3. It's actually really nice because I've been cooking so much, so little break. I am going to organize this and then we're gonna start painting. I put my overall on, which I had somewhere in my closet, don't ask me why. Actually, it's a really cute one. I'm gonna show you guys what we're going to change in the apartment. I'm really excited because I wanted to do this from the moment we moved in here, but we never really found the time. We were gonna have painters come, right?
Well, it was supposed to get done.
Yeah.
Jillian was gonna do it, but nobody can be here right now except for Jason and Emily.
So yeah, we're gonna do it ourselves. So
Hold on. Damn, girl. What are you wearing? You look so sexy.
this is an Aritzia, I think.
Really?
So cute.
It looks really cute on you.
I got this card. So, oh god, I forgot which. I think it's this one.
You think?
Yeah.
Guys,
no, it's not this one.
thumbs up
It's
on
something like this. This one is gonna be like really light gray, like that.
Like it. Awesome.
But what I've learned from the boys was when you go from dark to a very light color, you need to prime it first with like a gray or a white. So we're gonna tape everything here. We're gonna prime the wall. It needs to dry, maybe another layer, and then hopefully tomorrow we can put color on it. Let's get working! Guys, that was step 1. Take off the shelves. Step 2. Clean your wall. Should have been tip number 1. Put some music on. There we go. Primer. Okay, so this is not gonna be the color, guys. Yay! Our first layer's done. So now we need to wait for like 3 hours until it's dry, and we're gonna do our second one. And then probably tomorrow we need to do 2 others because it's very black. But it looks good. Thanks for your help, you guys. We're just gonna edit a video what we're gonna be posting tomorrow. Oh my god, we just made like the cutest TikTok ever with a little minion. So yeah. Also, don't forget to follow me on TikTok. It is @Vloet. It's my last name. @VLOET. You can check it out. So we just finished dinner. I had my first Sakara meal, which was very yummy. I forgot to vlog, so I can't share with you guys. Oh, I'm so tired after the workout and painting this wall. Shall we do this? Let's do this. I am dead. So we painted the whole wall again. Then I took a shower. I put these things on my head because I had some pimples. Anyway, yeah, tomorrow is gonna be busy day 2. We're gonna wake up early, do the wall again. We do some live streams. I'm making a video with Penny, so you guys can see a little bit of an inside what we're up to here. I hope you guys enjoy watching the first daily vlog. Let me know if you guys would like to see more. We're gonna do 1 week and we see we go from there. Don't forget to subscribe, stay tuned for every vlog, put your notifications on, and I will see you guys very soon.